Welcome to our series of Camella Alfonso videos. And this time, ang i-feature natin ay yung Ezabelle. So this is our third video. We'll be making a total of 12 for Camella Alfonso, which will include 9 videos for house and lot and 3 for lots only. So itong Ezabelle is a single attached house. So masasabi nating attached kasi meron siyang follower dito eh. Yan yung attached niya. So, ang Ezabelle has 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath with a lot area of 66 square meters, floor area of 46 square meters. Okay, with a total contract price of 3,513,000. Ang kanyang monthly down payment for 24 months is 17,672, and kapag kinuha ninyo ito via bank financing for 20 years, ang monthly niya ay 23,832. So let's compute how much is the required income para ma-approve kayo sa bank for 20 years, ano? So that's 23,832 divided by 0.3. So, ang required income nito ay 79,440. But kung ayaw nyo naman sa bank financing, meron naman tayong other options, which is the in-house financing, deferred payment, and spot cash payments. So, kontakin nyo na lamang po ako kung paano po i-avail yung mga ganong financing sakali ayaw ninyo ng bangko. So, ang kukuha ninyong promos and discount when you avail this Ezabelle house model is waive na po yung bank charges, waive na rin yung move-in fees, complete turnover na rin siya with tiles, meaning may kwarto na siya ng tiles na rin. And then, lowered reservation fee, which is only 15,000, no? And then, meron kayong all home gift certificate worth 40,000 pesos. So, nakalagay po dito sa photo that this is NR4, which means na kapag kumuha kayo nitong Ezabelle, ay saka pa lamang po itatayo yung bahay. Kaya po, bagong-bago po siya mag-turnover po sa inyo. So, for more information about this property, I'll put my phone, Viber, WhatsApp number sa description nitong video, including my Facebook account, para ma-message niyo po ako. And, ilalagay ko dito sa screen ang dalawang icon. First is yung aerial view ng Camella Alfonso para makita ninyo ano ang itsura niya. And then yung second is another video for our fourth house dito sa Camella para makita ninyo kung ano ang mga options na pwede ninyong i-avail kapag gusto nyo tumira po dito sa Alfonso.